Got one. All right. First smallmouth on the Yellow River, guys. Hey, hey, hey. Came out of that rock. Scarfed it down too. That's a good aggressive hit. I'm gonna get a quick picture of that for the Achigan Wildcard Challenge. We gotta catch 2 fish in all the water columns, so I'll get a quick pick. Gosh, strong fish. I love that. Thank you. First fish. Hey guys, welcome back to Dad Life Fishing Adventures. Today we're out on a brand new body of water to us, the Yellow River in Northwest Indiana. We're super excited to be here. This has been a goal for the year. It was a river that we wanted to fish, just caught our first fish. So let's follow along and see how we do. Today we are competing in 2 things. The Achigan Smallie Games, specifically trying to complete some wild cards and catch some Achigan 16+ inch fish if we can. So the wild card challenge today is 2 fish in all 3 water columns, bottom, mid, and top. So just caught one on the mid. Let's see how we do. Follow along. The other thing we're doing right now is the free smallmouth tournament put on by Shane Flynn Outdoors, and we're looking for some upgrades. So if we catch some big fish today, they will be dual purpose, both Achigan and to help in that Shane Flint tournament. So many pockets that could hold a fish here. That's what's interesting. Reading this body of water, I really don't have a clue. You'll see me change multiple times between the 3 flows until we find some fish on all of them, and hopefully find a pattern that works for all of them. Because if there's top water in certain spots and bottom in certain spots, that's how a lot of the rivers around me, fish act differently in different types of water. At first I need to figure out whether there's any fish up in these currents. Right now we also have several challengers fishing our topwater bash right now. We do that every fall in September. So if that's something that'll interest you in years to come, we'd love to have you as part of that. A lot of active fish here. Oh, there we go. All right, first one on the top water. Let's keep them on. That little guy, but fish number 2 of the day. Didn't see anybody with him, but thank you, bud. Little top water nipper. Oh, fish on. There we go. You know what? We might have a slightly bigger fish here. Just use the net. Got a brand new net, floating net. Excited about. Pretty cool net right there. Offshore angler floating net, perfectly waiting, and not too expensive. There's another fish. Boy, they're scarfing it down today. Scarfing it down. That's our first pool. Oh, fish on. Yes. Ooh, another decent fish. Ooh, he's actually a little better. Net, fish, yes. Got him. Little guy, but he'll count. That's one on an Ed. All right, I'm gonna take a second to talk about our bottom presentation today, and this is the Jade's Jigs EWG 1/8 ounce weedless Ned head, and we're using the X-Zone, and this is the Junior Adrenaline Bug. I love this presentation. It seems to attract quality bites, and this is kind of our second common pickup that we use, other than the stupid tube. So if we're needing a finesse bottom-esque bite, I'm either throwing a stupid tube or I'm throwing this in rivers and creeks. So not throwing it here on my medium light. Case Custom rod. You'll see me use Case Custom rod, a St. Croix Premier, and my kind of funny rod, one of my favorite rods of all time right now, which is the Falcon XB or XG, which is a saltwater rod, medium light. That's what I'm throwing the fleek on, and that rod is the most comfortable rod I've ever owned. This rod is the most sensitive rod I've ever owned. So, in the St. Croix medium light, I've thrown my topwaters on that rod forever. I've always liked that as an option. If you know what this is, let me know. I have no idea what it is. It's so interesting though. Pop. Oh, there we go. Got one. If I can keep them on through the current. Not a bad fish. Oh, he was pinned good. All right. Top water. There you go. All right. Yes. That is number 2 on this bait. I had to get one of those dang stinkers to give me a second. Okay. One more top water and we've completed 2 wild cards. Oh, there's a bite. Oh, get it. Oh, did we get him? Maybe we kinda got him. Not big, but that is wild card complete if this is a smallmouth. It is a smallmouth. Yes. 2 wild cards complete. There you go. Decent fish. Okay. Maybe our biggest of the day. Oh yeah, definitely the biggest of the day. Nice fish. Thank you, bud. Pretty bass. A lot of medium bass right there. You can see them, they're all, should I eat it? Should I eat it? Should I eat it? I don't know. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. Another good one. Oh yeah. The better the size fish, the more aggressive they're eating this bait. And there's one right with them. Actually, there's these fish in the front of the hole. They're like, "What are you doing, bro?" Hey, we're not getting bigger, but we are getting fish. And that's what it's all about. Yellow River has got lots of smallmouth bass in it. First size bassaroonie. Boy, this is just fun. Got one of the better fish. What did I get? Oh my gosh, that is the biggest rock bass I have seen. Holy crap, that is a big rock bass. Oh, good fish. Alright. Well, not a good fish, but strong fish. Let's go strong fish. That's a fighting fish. It didn't take long to get it in his mouth. There you go. Decent fish. Definitely one of our better ones. Still in that same slot range, but I don't know. If you drive across the state to fish somewhere, And this is what you get. Dude, it's an awesome day. Load it back up. We are using this VMC wacky hook, 1/0. There you go. Boy, you hit hard. What do we got? Oh, good fish. Not quite a big bass, but boy, this is one of the bigger ones we caught. Oh, when I lost him at the last second. All right, he thumped it. There we go. Hello, little guy. These guys, they're just spunky fish. Oh, big snapping turtle. Holy cow, look at that guy. Look at that. That's all right, baby. Yeah, this one not half bad. Whoa! Actually, this might be the best fish of the day. Right off that rock. I like to get this one in. Biggest one we caught in a while. Love that sound. Alright. Definitely would help our 5 bass limit today. Something that we want to see though. Like, oh, there's the fish. Got something. Alright. That big rock bass. Oh my gosh, this is another monster rock bass. Knocked my bait off though. Ooh, crap. Got him. Oh yeah. Man, this might be the best fish of the day. I sat here and watched this fish swim around while I was putting this tube on. We might have got a worthy one here. Thank you, bud. I mean, he's not huge, but when the bite gets slow, stupid tube. Got a big rock bass out of it. Good grief, that's a big rock bass. The rock bass in the stream are chunky. Got him. Bigger rock bass. First fish I've ever caught on a 6-cent jerkbait. There we go. Whoa! Here we go. Better fish. Either a really big bass or we've got our first northern pike in Indiana. Oh, it's a nice bass. Yes! Oh, thank you, fish. Thank you. That's a big one. That's a big old fat toady toad. On the jerkbait. Oh, that's a fat bass. Only had one hook in her. But you know what? It's stuck. Gosh, look at this fish, guys. That's a fat bass right there. That's a good one. Yeah, check out that, 17 and a half. Thank you, buddy. Go, baby, go. Oh, finally got me a big one. That was fun. Well, now we're like completely in it to win it. To be honest, the one the Shane Flint smallmouth, that's got to be my smallest fish that I just caught, but at least we're getting closer to a respectable. Oh, fish on. Not a big one, but A1. Boy, they're biting. Oh, there's one. Ooh, not a bad one. That's a good one. Yeah, they're biting again. We've started to see round 2 begin. How do treble hooks always get like that? They can. The line, you get one little bump and the line does wild things. And it doesn't matter what brand it is, they always are doing that. Obnoxious. Obnoxious. Oh, fish on. Oh, I missed him. Sorry, bro. Didn't want to see you. Ooh! Ooh! That fish stopped it. Yeah, this is a strong fish. These fish are strong. They live in this current their entire lives and they just get strong. Look at that guy. Not big, just, but boy, he hit it. And when he hit it, like the cold stopped it like a big fish does. Who would have thought? the re-weighting a section and it being this good. Who would have thought? Oh, fish on. Good fish. Oh, baby. No slouch of a fish here. And he's not 15, but one of our biggest of the day. Let me glad. Add him to the mix. He's solid. Thanks, bud. Oh, crap. I got one. And it's not a bad fish. Well, it's in a really hard current. I don't think it's actually a bad fish at all. I think it's a solid fish. Worthy. Final catch, yes, yeah, I'd say so. Nice. Thank you, bud. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We had a blast fishing the Yellow River for smallmouth bass. We did get a really nice one, and so many fish. It was just a fun time fishing with two of my favorite techniques, which is soft plastic jerkbaits and hard plastic jerkbaits, with a kind of a mixture of soft plastic Neds and a little bit of top water in the morning, but we really didn't stick with that too much. So had a lot of fun. I hope that you enjoyed this video.
I hope that you get a chance to fish the Yellow River in Northwest Indiana. It was a blast. There's so much of it in very diverse areas. We just really just started, took the tip off of that mountain. So with that, thanks for watching this video. Please, if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, drop us a comment, and like this video. Help us along. We'll see you next time out on the water. God bless.